Welcome everyone. I'm here today with a new scholarship video. So today in this video, I will give you a new opportunity, which is a Trent University in Canada. So in this video, I will guide you a number of scholarship at Trent University offering for international students and also for the local student who residing inside the Canada, and then I will provide you application portal how you can fill your application. So before going to the portal, that how you can fill up your application, I will give you some important information about the scholarship. You can see that international scholarship and awards for international undergraduate students starting in January, winter, summer, they can apply in this scholarship. Okay, so these are the criteria for first scholarship. So they have almost three scholarship for international students. Like for 90, if you have your marks are in this range, like from 95 to 100%, you will get 22,000 in 4 years. And same as if your criteria, if your grade scale is lower, like 90 to 94, 85 to 89, and 80 to 84, your amount will be decreased. So you will get 10,000, 14, and 18,000. And interest scholarship eligibility, these are basically entrance scholarship. If you apply directly in the university on application fee base, you will get these entrance scholarship here. You can renew your entrance scholarship, and you can renew your entrance scholarship every year in January or beginning of the semester based on your previous semester grades or results. So you have to perform a good in a university if you want to reapply for a scholarship. And one more thing is that if your scholarships are good and you perform well in a first semester, then your entrance scholarship will be increased. For example, if you're in the beginning yours you receive only 2,500 Canadian dollars, but what happened if your grades are higher in the first semester, you will be eligible for 3,500. It means that $1,000 will be increased. Okay, so these are the eligibility. I already told you that, and how to apply all these programs. So there are two ways to apply all these scholarship. I will show you one by one, so you can choose that in which kind of you can apply. And the application deadlines, you can see that. So here December 1st, January 26th, winter, summer, and fall 2026. So you have still 1.5 months to apply on this scholarship. So these scholarships are basically for undergraduate BS students and postgraduate students. In postgraduate, you can apply for master and PhD. Okay, so the first scholarship is an entrance scholarship. The second scholarship is a More Family International Scholarship. They will provide you a 12,000 annually if you are successfully get admission in this scholarship. Trent University, you will get 48,000 for 4 years. Okay, so next one is Justin Chui International Scholarship. The same amount is 60,000 for 4 years. And next scholarship is very important for Trent International Student Scholarship. Like for 1 year, you will receive 40,000, and for 4 years, you will receive 1,60,000 over a 4 years in your degree. So in this, they will cover your tuition fee and also a mandatory ancillary fee at the trend. You can see Global Citizen Scholarship and Award Fund tuition and mandatory other expenses. Trend International Program, Tuition Levy Program. So these are tuition levies. So in this scholarship, this is also for international students. So they will give you a totally tuition fee waived in these scholarships. The same as for the IB students, they will give you total tuition fee waived. So they are other lot of scholarship you can see here, and you can apply, but these scholarship depends on your documentation and your criteria. If your documentation submission is very good, you will receive the scholarship. If your documentation criteria is little bit low, then you know that in Europe, Canada, UK, there are a lot of competition. It's not easy to apply a scholarship there. Okay, so now I will move toward you that how you can apply. If you want to apply, simply come on the main page. This is the main website of the university. Just click it here and then apply. After clicking on apply, you will get this page. This page. And you can see that there are two ways to apply on the scholarship. Number one is international students apply to multiple universities should apply through Ontario University Application Center. So who wanna choose Ontario University Application Center, they can apply more than one universities at the same time. So this portal is basically for third parties portal, and those who directly want to apply in Trent University only, so they can choose the second option. So I will show you the both sides. So if we click on here, they will give you a this page. Oh, you can see that Ontario University's application center. I have I already have a lot of videos that in which I guide you that how you can make your application or UAC. Click on apply, and after that you will get a login here. After login, and in what kind of programs you can apply, like undergraduate, law, medicine, rehab, and teacher ED. So you can apply in these categories. Okay, but today I will guide you for international contract application directly apply to a trade scholarship. So let's move toward that one. Just click on it and they will show you at this page. And if you don't have an account, just click on to create a new account, because I already have a account here. So I will directly log in here. Okay, so I will attach all of application websites link in description section, so you can easily click on them and get on the main website. You can see I already choose undergraduate, so today I will guide for undergraduate only. For a postgraduate and master student, their requirement are a little bit different, so you can search on that portal. So simply you can see I choose undergraduate, so we have two more options like postgraduate certificates. Postgraduate certificates are basically for masters and PhD students. Because I already have it, so I click on it and start a next open application. After clicking on open application, you can see that there is some instruction that you have to read all of the things here. First of all, you have to click on about you and provide information, like you have to write your name, your last name, your email address, your home address here, your biographical information, and status in Canada and citizenship information. You don't have any status, so you can choose no status. Or if you are living inside Canada, you can choose permanent residency, Canadian citizenship, and study permit. Because we are international, we choose no status. And because I am from Pakistan, so I choose Pakistan. The first language we choose, you can choose other, depends on you. And then click on continue. After that, click on additional information. In addition, are you use the service of the official trade agent? So you can click it no. And after that, click on undergraduate programs. So here you can choose undergraduate programs here. You can see we choose undergraduate academic programs. Okay. And now what programs they are offering? Just click on the link here. They will open the program they are offering. You can see that there is a lot of programs here. See, these are undergraduate programs, and they also mention for doctor, for master degrees inside these programs. There is a lot of programs, so if you want to apply in any of programs, so better is that just click on that program and study the department requirements. So it's better for you that you can make your documentation good, because in this is a short video. In a short video, it's not easy to study all of the department and inform you that what kind of document the department require. So you have to do a little bit work by yourself if you want a good scholarship here. After that, you can choose three programs at a time. One, two, three, depends on you. After that, in a program customization, if you choose a program or you want to change any kind of program information, you can change it here. And next one is education. In education part, you have to add your school history. Just click on add institution. You can add institution name, your start date, your end date, level of study. You can choose high school, undergraduate, postgraduate. Submit your transcript. You have to upload your PDF transcript and your degree, all of the things here, and save it. And for postgraduate, you have to upload your master and bachelor degrees. English language proficiency test. So these are tests they inform. They also have a Duolingo test. If you are Duolingo, you can add it. If you have a PTE Pearson test, so this is very common these days. Yeah, very easy to pass it out. You have to do this one. You can also do online or in person. And Trent Academic ESL program, Academic English 2 with 75 in all courses. So you can choose also this one and you can do it online. And after adding the test information here, if you have any kind of, you can upload it here and save. After that is a release information. In the release information, you can add your information about your guardian, like your family members and your brother, father, and provide the name, email, or date of birth. That in any case, that if you are not in a connection, that they can reach out to your family member or your guardian and find you. And next one is a signature. You have to sign it here and for review, because I didn't add any kind of information. Therefore they show me a save for later. So you have to add all of the information and submit your application. This is the first step. After completing this, they will send you an email if you pass their criteria, if your degree pass their criteria. So therefore I told you that reach a department, study that what kind of documentation they require. So better for you that you can get a good information. So these are all of the information you can apply it here. Or those students who want to apply more than one university, they can choose Ontario University's application center. So it is very helpful for the students who want to apply more than one university in Canada. So these are the information about university, that where you can get information, a lot of things here. And further, if you need want to study any kind of want to know any kind of information, you simply come on the same university. You can see Trent University, and you can choose academies, admission, residence, scholarship, and tuitions, and contact anything here. They also mention like a entrance scholarship, prestigious scholarship. They add all of the information here. So better is that just come on the university side first, study the universities, what kind of things they require, then watch a video and see that how you can make up your good application or you will be selected. So I will provide you such kind of content that you can easily find universities and apply in Europe. Don't visit to an agent and pay a lot of fee, because money is very important. And change your future by yourself. You will have, this is a AI era, so you can find any or get any kind of documentation information from chat gpt or AI. It's very easy these days, so don't waste your money, just search by yourself and share this video. I need your lot of sports to make such kind of content, because I have to get some time to make up some time to get information and share with such kind of content with you guys. So remember me in your prayer until the next video. Until that time, Allah Hafiz.